And several lawsuits being filed around the country by people who have sought to have hospitals treat their loved ones battling COVID with ivermectin, even though the drug isn't approved by the FDA to treat COVID-19 patients. One York County woman hoping the courts will intervene in her husband's case. Our Fox 43 Shaquille Omari spoke with the family's lawyer who explained their predicament.
Lawsuits demanding hospitals to use the popular drug ivermectin on sick loved ones are growing. In recent weeks, nearly 24 cases have been filed across the country. York County resident Darla Smith is suing UPMC Memorial after she said the hospital refused to prescribe the drug on her husband Keith. According to the affidavit, back on November 10th, 52-year-old Keith Smith was diagnosed with COVID-19. About a week later, he was admitted to the hospital, then to the ICU, where he was put on a ventilator.
But being on a ventilator for that length of time is extremely damaging. So your likelihood of living when you're on a ventilator that long is substantially diminished to approximately 30%.
The affidavit says despite Keith's physician prescribing ivermectin, UPMC refused to administer it.
The hospital argued in our case that the doctor who prescribed this was not licensed in Pennsylvania. That was totally wrong.
Although back in 2017, Governor Wolf signed a law giving terminally ill patients the right to try experimental remedies. In a statement, UPMC said ivermectin is not part of the hospital's standard COVID-19 treatment plan. Ivermectin is FDA approved to be used by vets to deworm large animals and in some cases treat worms or lice in humans. Conservative commentators have promoted the drug to fight COVID-19. The FDA has debunked those claims, warning if taken in large doses, it can cause nausea, vomiting, seizures, and even death. The fate of the case is now in the judge's hands.
I'm hopeful the decision comes sometime today, because every day that this man does not get ivermectin is a detrimental day to him. Every day, statistically, his chances of survival drop.
In York, Shaquille Omari, Fox 43 News.